Look, they've stopped fighting. The banner works.
I do not believe my eyes!
Volstag's men dare come here?
Volstag ate my cattle and hurled my cabin into the river!
Kill them! Kill them all!
What?
Men defense front! Spearmen line forward! Axemen loose!
I don't understand why the Norsemen attacked us. They seem to not like my flag. Perhaps we could use this to our advantage.
These men seem to be drawn to Skold's flag. Maybe if we use it to draw to defeat their clan leaders, we could stop them from fighting.
We could lure the Norsemen out of their camps and ambush them in the open where they are more vulnerable. Esto. Malista. Pani. Kalos.
You have bested Eric.
Proszę leje ne. Pani. Prostagma. Hezbollah. Kalos. Etimos. Vulume. Pani. Esto. Malista.
Ja, hier ben.
Leje Esbale.
You have defeated Arngrim. You are truly a great warrior, and we will follow you.
Oro.
Tilbuin, ja. Atraus. Skipan. In Portugal.
Vibold has fallen in battle! Our axes are yours to command!